मैंने अपनी ऑडियंस से पूछा कि उन्होंने क्या-क्या तरीकों से अपनी लाइफ में मूव ऑन किया है एंड वो सारी स्टेटमेंट्स मैं लेके आई हूँ। अब नाउ आई विल गिव यू द वेज दैट पीपल मूव ऑन फ्रॉम अ रिलेशनशिप एंड यू हैव टू रेट देम आउट ऑफ 10.
Okay.
10 being the healthiest way to move on
Hmm.
and 1 being the please stop doing this and move on from more healthier way. Let's do it. Let's start. First is go on a date with someone else and have fun.
6 to 7 because ये भी ज़रूरी है. Fun is required in life after a breakup. If it makes you happy, please go and do it.
Does it help in moving on?
No, it helps you in bouncing back.
Okay. Start stalking them until I get an ick.
Digital detox, digital surveillance. No, maybe a 2 or 3.
Okay. YouTube पे how to move on search करा था.
ये तो हम सब करते हैं ना कभी whether it's a breakup, it's a divorce, it's just going from one thing to another. ये तो हम सब करते हैं. So maybe a 5 or 6.
Okay. Getting married.
Not at all. This is a nightmare. Don't do it.
How would you rate it?
Maybe a 1 or 2.
Okay. bestie के साथ move on कर लिया.
ये बढ़िया है. 8 to 9.
ये बढ़िया है.
कर लो. थोड़े टाइम के लिए ब्रेक ले लो, चिल करो, घूमो फिरो, पार्टी करो, कम बैक.
That's new. Tell myself that दीदी does not deserve me. ये किसी
ये तो
लड़के का ही
best-
आंसर है.
ये तो बेस्ट है. दीदी डज नॉट डिजर्व मी तो बेस्ट है.
तो भैया भी does not deserve me.
भैया तो वैसे भी डज नॉट डिजर्व मी के फेस पे ही रहते हैं आजकल.
How would you rate this?
Maybe a 5 or 6 because I think this is a very diplomatic thing.
Hmm.
दीदी does not deserve me और भैया does not deserve me, but ये person to person.
I think ये shallow भी है because it's not like completely moving on.
We
help
can't
नहीं कर रहा.
decide कौन किसको कितना डिजर्व करता है.
ठीक है. Jump from one man to another and backup का इस्तेमाल करो.
टाइम पास कहते हैं उसे.
हाँ.
ठीक लगे, आपकी पर्सनालिटी को सूट करे तो करो, नहीं करे तो बिल्कुल पीछे हो जाओ, रुमिनेट करो फिर. that's what we do the most.
Where does it come on the scale of 10?
Maybe a 3.
3. Listen to sad songs and cry.
This is the best.
This is best.
Yeah, let your emotions out. इंडिया में हमें सिखाया जाता है रोना नहीं चाहिए, आदमियों को नहीं रोना चाहिए. क्यों? Crying is an emotion. जैसे प्यार एक इमोशन है वैसे रोना भी एक इमोशन है, तो रो लो. Maybe a 6.
6.
I'm a fan of crying. मैं बिल्कुल नहीं कहूंगी मत रो. It is an emotion. Let it out.
I would rate it a 8 or 9 because yes, I agree. वो sad song सुन के जो अंदर से release निकलता है ना, it is actually
It is
very
very
nice.
important to release any stored emotion in your body because otherwise, of course, the body keeps the score. We all know it.
I agree. Go on a solo trip and feel like a main character.
This is the best. I think I would do it as a 10 on 10.
10 on 10.
Yes, indeed.
Okay.
Given a chance, मैं तो भाग जाऊँ.
Deleting their number but memorizing it just in case.
Not required, really. Digital surveillance will not help you.
It does not help
It
deleting their number.
Deleting their number and then probably when you have it in your memory, तो memory तो है ही. So deleting the number and having a memory, they don't go hand in hand.
So it's just delulu.
Yeah,
ठीक है.
living in your own land.
Watching breakup reels and feeling personally attacked.
I don't think it helps. Maybe a 2 or 3 because breakup reel से then you start creating memories of मेरे साथ ये हुआ, मेरे साथ वो हुआ, तो वो तो victimization हो गई फिर.
Posting glow up photos just to make them jealous.
I think that is what women love doing and even men love doing. Maybe a 5 or 6 if it helps you.
Okay.
Again, it will go to the point of digital surveillance in the end.
Okay. Cutting or coloring my hair suddenly after a breakup.
Maybe an 8 or 9. सब करते हैं.
But it's good. It's healthy.
I think hair stores energy, so bad energy goes away, it goes away.
Yeah, I think coloring your hair after a breakup or something bad happens in your life, it just gives you
just gives
I have
you
a new
a glow up.
personality.
Yeah, it gives
I can
you a
start
glow up.
new.
Yeah,
Planning a complete personality transformation in my head.
best. 8 or 9.
Yeah.
Totally. Love yourself and be you.
Yeah.
I think a failure in a relationship and an empty pocket, they are your best teachers. So I think this is a lesson.
Wow. Nice one. Signing up for random courses just to stay busy.
Not really healthy, but just a time pass. So maybe a 5 or 6, pretty reasonable.
Okay. Watching comfort shows on repeat.
Love. 9. Friends, my favorite.
But it's healthy.
You divert your mind.
Yeah.
That is what it is about. Healthy, unhealthy, though you can never channelize. Something might be healthy for you, might not be healthy for me. So I think this is very individualistic in nature.
Okay. Staying busy 24/7 to avoid thinking.
No. Emotions will not get away. They will just be stored in one form or the other, and then probably you'll have to deal with them in a more difficult manner.
So how would you rate it?
Probably a 3.
Okay. Writing messages to them but never sending it.
I don't think that's a healthy way to do it. You would rather psychologically probably write a letter for why they've hurt you and burn it in the end.
बर्न इट। आई थिंक ये वो जब भी मेट वाला सीन हो गया ना, उनकी पिक्चर को बर्न कर
Actually,
दो।
देखा जाए पिक्चर को नहीं, प्रॉपर लेटर। दिस इज अ पार्ट ऑफ shadow work exercises that we do in counseling. Write a letter to the person or whoever hurt you, and then probably burning it down. It helps you release the stored emotions. Fire, I think, takes away that energy, and then flushing it, I think, gives you the high of letting go, maybe.
यार इट फील सो गुड, मतलब
Yeah.
जलाया मेरे अंदर से वो निकल गया एंड
निकल
देन थ्रो इट
This
अवे।
is genuinely a part of shadow work exercise, actually, and this, I think, is an healthy way of doing it.
इंटरेस्टिंग। प्रिटेंडिंग आई डोंट केयर व्हेन आई केयर टू मच।
Horrible. I think a 3. When you
Well,
actually care and you pretend you don't care, you're doubly playing with your own self. So I think it is going to hurt you more than anything
it
else.
backfires।
Totally. On your own personality, on your own thoughts and emotions. Ultimately, emotion thoughts se aa raha hai na. What are you doing? Suppressing your thoughts and creating bad emotions. No emotion is good or bad, but maybe just creating a loop of something you probably don't want to get into.
Perfect। And last one I have is getting tattoos after a breakup।
I think they're very painful, but if you like doing it, then please get it. But for me, it's very, very painful. I mean, I would not do it. I would not recommend it. But if you like it, it's your choice.
But if they
Maybe
like it, is it a healthy way to move on?
not really. You can't go and get their name written, no. But so
Yeah.
maybe I think I would be neutral to this.
One of my known friends did this actually. After breakup, that person got a tattoo of the ex so that maybe she might come back।
So that is unhealthy.
That is unhealthy।
That is totally unhealthy. That is not healthy at all.
परफेक्ट। आई थिंक ये सेगमेंट इतना इंटरेस्टिंग था, मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया। अब हम थोड़ा सा डीपर जाएंगे सो दैट ऑडियंस के जो भी ये देखने आई है, आई थिंक वो यही देखने आए बिकॉज दे हैव गॉन थ्रू ब्रेकअप रिसेंटली और दे वांट टू नो हाउ टू मूव ऑन फ्रॉम अ रिलेशनशिप। दे आर हर्ट, दे आर इन पेन एंड इसलिए वो यहाँ पे कुछ जवाब ढूंढने आए हैं। तो कुछ ऐसे क्वेश्चंस जो उन्हें एक क्लैरिटी दे माइंड में क्या करना चाहिए, कैसे करना चाहिए, और उनको एक नर्व हिट करे कि आई रिलेट टू दिस। द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन दैट आई हैव फॉर यू, बिकॉज सबसे कॉमन ये मैंने देखा है, कुछ लोग बहुत इजीली मूव ऑन करते हैं, कुछ लोगों को मूव ऑन करने में बहुत मुश्किल आती है, टाइम लगता है। ऐसा क्यों है? अगर आपको ये क्लिप पसंद आई हो हमारे पॉडकास्ट में से, तो नमन टॉक्स पॉडकास्ट चैनल पे रोज आपके लिए स्पेसिफिक टॉपिक पे नई क्लिप आएगी। रोज कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा, रोज कुछ हेल्पफुल टिप मिलेगी। तो देखना मत भूलिएगा और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा।